Hey everybody, today I would like to unbox my solar landscape lights that I just picked up. I bought these lights to put outside my house for Christmas, but you can also use them for Halloween as well. They are solar, they are waterproof. So let's open it up and see what's inside the box. So inside the box here we've got these spikes. These spikes go in the ground. There are 4 lights, so there are 4 spikes here. Put that off to the side. Inside here, we've got a set of screws. I'm assuming you could use these to mount into a wall or something. Not sure. And then I believe each one of these are wrapped in bubble wrap. And these are the lights themselves. Let's take one out here. So this is the light. Here's your solar panel. And then this here, oh, I see. Okay, so these fit in here. And then you could use those screws to mount them on a wall if you didn't want to stick them in the ground. And these are little, they have a hinge here so you can angle them up, down, any way you'd like. And there's 4 of them, so we have 1, there's 2, there's 3. This off to the side here. And lastly, there's 4, so you get 4 lights in the box. 2 sets of these screws. And then it looks like a little instruction manual on how to set them up and use them. And that's everything that comes in the box on these solar lights. I hope this helps. And this is what it looks like when the lights are on in my front yard. As you can see, they're solar powered. There's no wires. Red, green, red, green. Merry Christmas.